FIFA 22 and 23 down. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with EA servers from FIFA 22 right now. There are from the app there are disabled the servers, and at the same time the technicians will carry out some undefined maintenance to prepare for the launch. And to fix this problem, you can try to restart your router or restart your PC at the same time. You can also try to clear the history from your browser and restart your PC. So if you do this and if it's not working, you should wait until they fix this problem. And if you do have issues with FIFA, with EA, FIFA 22 and 23 right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.